Okay. I'm out here in the snow. Out here in the snow. Oh. I'm just gonna put down my mask a bit. So. Oh. I don't know whether I want to do this or not. Let me see something. There's a lot of stuff on. Okay. Let me just take walking is the thing. Oh. It is a lot of snow. Woo. Sorry about that. Thank you. Okay. Wish you could walk in the street. Let me see. I'm gonna try the street. Cause they shovel the snow in the street. Oh. Okay. Woo. I'm walking the street. Not that cold. Maybe because I got a lot of stuff. No, me and my 58-year-old person body don't need to be out here. Whew, whew, whew. Let's see. I'm walking right in the street. Cause that's where they shovel the snow at. I gotta carry it up by myself. You wanna see? I can't turn it around. Or can I? Nope. I can look behind me. Oh, that's turning. I got the light. Whew. You see? Okay, so I'm not going there with. I'm going in the path of the cars. Whew. Yeah, I should turn around. Hang on. Well, I gotta go up here. I gotta struggle through some snow.